to the trains. But before you can get out to the trains, you have to go through this door, which sticks now. If you've been following the saga, the building's converting from oil to gas heat. So the gas heater went through my building because it's the only way to get it into the basement is through the backyard. And then the 5-story chimney went through my apartment, and they topped off the chimney. And then I said to the guys he had done, they said, "But we're out of here." So over the weekend, Dennis and I swept the yard and put the greenhouse back where it was. And then Monday morning, the bell rang. 120-gallon water heater for the basement. And the landlord said, "It's going through your apartment." So they came in with rulers and they said, "Oh, your front door has to come off." And then they came here and said, "Oh, this has to come off." Then they went out here and they said, "Oh, your gate has to come off. This has to come off." They managed just to squeeze it through. My front door went back on, that's fine. The gate's fine. This doesn't, it doesn't close right. It seems to be sticking at the bottom. And I thought, you know what, I'll just sand it myself. I don't have a sander, but I have an electric drill. So I went online and I bought the SIQUK, okay, 200 pieces, all right, of, you know, the last time I bought a kit, the discs were way bigger, but you know, I guess that doesn't matter. You get 200 pieces of, oh, okay, I should have looked at the description. 2-inch discs starting at 80 grit, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1,000. And I think I remember, do you remember, is it the lower the number, the grittier the grit? It says 80. That's pretty gritty. So 80 must be, is that what it starts at? Yeah, it starts at 80. So this is what we want. That is the coarsest. You know, it just comes with that little, oh, okay. Oh, this is neat. I mean, the old kit, I think years ago, you ever remember using it? I think you put a thing in and a screw went through the middle of it. Anyway, so this is like Velcro kind of thing. And in the electric drill, it's like a mini sander. Yeah. All right. And we'll see if we can just knock that door down a touch. And way better fast. Wow. Oh, now there's a 12-inch gap. No. Well, you know what? It is getting better.
Maybe it's the bottom.
I think it is the very bottom. So, let's put it back where it was so I can get out of the way. It says 80 grit, but my question is it true grit?
No.
You know, we're getting
It's
there.
better.
We're getting there. All right, just a little more. We'll do a little more. We can edit some of this out because I know it's spellbinding video. Oh, you know what? If only we could do what the dentist does. You know, they put like carbon paper when teeth.
Tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap. And you go, ah, ah, ah. And then we could see where exactly it's hitting. We're almost there. And Dennis is right. It could be at the very bottom. I'm going to do another touch and then we'll end it with that because I'm almost happy with this. Wow, just 5 hours and 35 minutes. Actually, we did about another 15 minutes, okay? And, oh, did you hear how far the door can go? I'm so used to pushing it. All right, so now it's all set to go. So, you know, if podcasting fails, I'm your sanding man.
It's just adorable.
Oh, adorable. Bye.